Hello! Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano bayaran ang loan sa home credit gamit ang GCash. Una, login to your GCash account. Tapos piliin ang loan. Scroll down at hanapin ang home credit. Dito, i-type ang total amount na babayaran. Tapos ilagay ang contract number. I-base po natin yung data sa account ng home credit loan po natin. At the end of this video, pakita ko sa inyo ang sample loan home credit account. Next, i-type ang mobile number na na-register sa home credit upang makatanggap ng confirmation for the payment. Sa email ad naman is optional. Scroll down, then click next. Click next again. So, bago natin i-confirm, we need to double check the datas. Si tama yung nailagay natin na datas. Then, click confirm. Okay, ganun lang kadali magbayad ng home credit loan gamit ng GCash. So, this time, proceed tayo sa home credit account. First, log into your account. Okay, dito makikita natin yung amount na babayaran at yung account number o yung contract number. Okay, that's it. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Like, share, and thank you for watching.